या स्पेशल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स येवकार आसा. पयलीं म्हणल्यार म्हणजे बाजूक जी बसल्या पर्सनॅलिटी, गोंयची बायल म्हणजे तिका खरंच इंट्रोडक्शनची गरज ना. प्रत्येक गोंयच्या गांवांत तिचें नांव आसा. प्रत्येक गोंयच्या तरणाटे बायल मनीस ताका वळखून जाणा. सो आमकां खोस भोगता काल बाय प्रतिमा कुटिनो हांणी आम आदमी पक्षांत प्रवेश केलो. आमचे नॅशनल कन्व्हिनर तशेंच दिल्लीचे मुखेलमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हाणें तिका पार्टीन स्वागत केलें. तिचे उल्लेख केले, तिने काम जे गोंयांत केलां बारीक मनशां खातीर, प्रत्येक गोंयकार खातीर हाजे सगळ्यांक नोंद केल्ली आसा. तिचे नावेलीत पुरते न्हय, सावथ गोवा सुद्दां न्हय, पूर्ण गोंयांत तिचो उल्लेख जाता. तिने जे इश्यूज घेतल्या बारीक मनशां खातीर, कॉमन मॅना खातीर, आम आदमी खातीर जे इश्यूज घेतल्या ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा बाय प्रतिमा कुटिनो आम आदमी पक्षांत प्रवेश करून आमच्या पक्षाक आनीक बळ मेळ्ळा. आमच्या पक्षाक जो प्रोत्साहन जो आसता, तो उत्साह नेट आसा, तो आनीक वाडला, दोबरात जाला. तशेंच येताल्या काळांत प्रतिमा कुटिनो हे आमचे फुडारी आसतले. त्याच बरोबर बाकीचे पार्टीन आसा किंवा सिव्हिल सोसायटी मेंबर आसा, तरणाटे आसा, तांकां उलो मारता की आता जो फुडार आसा गोंयचे फुडार फुडें व्हरपा खातीर, बरें करपा खातीर तो एकूच प्लॅटफॉर्म आसा, तो आम आदमी पार्टी. तेन्ना हो फुडार फुडें व्हरपाक, गोंयचे बरें करपाक, फुडें व्हरपाक आम आदमी पक्षान तुमकां स्वागत करता. तुमचे दार उगडें आसा. तेन्ना तुमी फुडें येवचें आनी गोंय वाचोवपाक आनी गोंय फुडें व्हरपाक आम आदमी पक्षाक तेंको दिवचो. तशेंच बाय प्रतिमान आतां कालच्यान आपल्या हातान झाडू धरला. झाडू धरून म्हाका खात्री आसा गोंय निवळ करपाक तो यश आमकां नक्की मेळटलो. हांव मागता बाय प्रतिमान तुमच्या एड्रेस करता तुमकां.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल प्रेस मिडिया ब्रदर्स. तशेंच आमच्या बरोबर आशिल्ले आमचे कन्व्हिनर बाब मांद्रे, म्हाजो इश्ट बाब वेन्झी, बाय पेट्रिसिया आनी बाब टिल्वे. तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगपाक सोदता दॅट एज आय हॅव गॉन एंड मेट बाब केजरीवाल, द CM ऑफ दिल्ली, डायनेमिक पर्सनॅलिटी and of course the convener of AAP. When I met him and when he welcomed me, with all humility I accepted the joining of Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. आणि दुसरे म्हणल्यार सांगपाक सोदता की खरेंच खंय तरी म्हाका I feel that I can breathe that fresh air and I can see the difference within 24 hours. The calls, the messages, what I got. People are so happy with my decision that I am getting lot of feedback that you have taken the best decision, Pratima, because for me Goa and Goans are my priority. आमी सदांच लोकां खातीर आनी गोंया खातीर झुजलां. रस्त्यार देवून हांवें म्हजे लायफाची परवानगी करूं ना. I have not thought about my self benefit or self promotion, but I have always kept the interest of Goa and Goans at heart. I would like to mention this when I am speaking, and when you all are sitting in front of me, the press media brothers, not only from Panjim, Margao, Kankon, Pedne, Mapsa, everywhere, you all have always supported me and seen that you all have highlighted the issues, the agitations I have taken for the common man. Now why I have joined Aam Aadmi? I have joined Aam Aadmi because I have seen their ideology, I have seen their trend, I have seen their growing popularity, and I have seen that they are here to stay. We have seen the national parties, both the national parties. It may be BJP or it may be Congress. I don't want to criticize anyone, but yesterday when I was flying to Delhi, and the minute I landed in Delhi, I saw nearly around 200 to 300 missed calls on my phone. They were messaging, pouring. I'm sorry I could not pick anybody's calls because I was heading to meet the CM of Delhi आणि तेन्ना आय हॅव सीन मेसेजीस कमिंग टू मी and I would not like to boast about it, but with all humility like to tell that there were open offers coming to me from the most powerful people, maybe from Congress or BJP. ऑफराची जाल्यार म्हाका हें आशिल्लें की प्रतिमा think rethink about it. We are giving you this, आमी तुका हें करतात, टिकेट दितात, आमी तुका हो पोजिशन दितात, मातशें आमचे बरोबर यो. But no, I took up this. If I was greedy and if I was crazy and hungry for power, I would have definitely chosen BJP like these jumping frogs who are gone. But no, I have chosen the party. We don't have a single MLA in Goa. AAP is not having a single MLA. It has got only one ZP candidate who is elected at the Benaulim constituency. But I chose to come from that Congress party to here because I know that AAP is going to make change and AAP is the only hope now for Goans. हांव उल्लेख करता काल बाब केजरीवाला कडेन हांव उलयलें तेन्ना when I had an interaction with Kejriwal ji, nearly 2 hours, can you believe, CM of Delhi gave me 2 hours at his residence where we were present and other leaders of AAP at the national level before heading a national press conference. He told me directly that Pratima, I have been observing and noticing your work for the last 2 years and I feel proud that you are come here and I can tell you that you are the face of Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. And when he said that, I was shocked to hear that he was following my work. He saw my agitations, he saw my fight. He told me that one man show केला तुवें, तुज्या पार्टीच्या बायलांक घेवन तूं रस्त्यार देंवलो, तुवें कशें एजिटेशनां घेतल्यात. आणि उल्लेख करता तेन्ना म्हाका तेणें सांगलें, even on the election day it seems Kejriwal was monitoring his elections at ZP Naveli and he said that I was impressed to see you going with food personally on every booth to give your polling agents on your tables. Secondly, he was impressed that there was an accident which took place in Sarzora. It was my election. I should have been running about to get the people out, but I was focusing there. Like accident zalo, takleef utli, but I stood there for 15 minutes, called the ambulance, made sure that the person goes. So he said, हम लोगों को ऐसे लोग चाहिए. Now if you will see on this, माचे तुम्ही पळयल्यार, पेट्रिसिया पळयात, वेन्झिक पळयात, बाब मांब्रेक पळयात, बाब टिवे पळयात, ताचो बॅकग्राऊंड पळयात. Nobody is coming from family raj of politics. Nobody is coming from dynastic politics. They are all educated, literates coming from very good backgrounds who want to make a change in Goa. They are, I would like to tell you that I have seen their work, I have seen them working. Aap Aadmi doesn't sitting in big offices and only giving press conferences like other parties, but they believe in working at the ground level. I want to tell the people of Goa, there's only hope in AAP today. Because तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें, BJP एक सायडीन कशें तेणी इम्पोर्ट केल्ले आसा लिडर्स आनी तांचो सरकार चलोवपाक लागल्या, तांकां लोकांनी मॅन्डेट दिवन आशिल्लो. आनी दुसऱ्या सायडीन जे पार्टीत हांव आशिल्ले, पक्षांत आशिल्ले आनी तांचेर हांवें आवाज उठयल्लो, जे आपल्या फायद्या लागून जेंकां हांवें काम केल्लें, कार्य केल्लें, प्रचार केल्लो, ते आपल्या फायद्याक लागून, आपल्या सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून थंय गेले. इट इज टायम टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट फॉर युअर. Did if Pratima wanted, would have taken the biggest powerful positions what they wanted to give me yesterday. I would have been sitting there if I was greedy and powerful. But no. आता जशे आमचो पक्षाचे सिम्बॉल आसा झाडू, खूब मिनिंगफूल आसा तो. डेट इज नॉट ओनली झाडू म्हणल्यार एक घर साफ करना और एक लोकेलिटी साफ करना, घाण साफ करता. आनी हांगा वायलां ही घाण साफ करपाक. आनी तुमकां खबर आसतलें, जे उल्लेख करतलें हांव, कि this was a very bold and courageous decision that I have taken. I have taken this bold decision. I heard my heart yesterday. हांवें म्हजे मनांतलें आनी काळजांतलें आयकलां. It was not an easy decision for me. With a very heavy heart, I have taken this decision because I have seen how they have been working. म्हाका खरें खंय तरी दिसतालें की they are trying to do something because त्यांची आयडियोलॉजी पळयात. They are not communal. They are here only for the interest of the आम आदमी. हांव जेन्ना काल रिक्षांतल्यान हांव एअरपोर्टा वयल्यान मुद्दाम गेलें तेन्ना हांव रिक्षाकारा कडेन विचारलें की रिक्षाकार बीन न्हू तो, ताका खबर नाशिल्लें कोण तें. ताका विचारलें कि तुमको क्या लगता है, कैसा चल रहा है, सरकार के बारे में कुछ बोलो. इधर आम आदमी संपर्क सकता हो. आणि ही टोल्ड मी, मैडम आपको इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो हमको मुख्यमंत्री मिला है, जैसा मुख्यमंत्री हम लोगों को कभी नहीं मिला था. आप देखो जाकर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में आप तो देखोगे तो आपको नहीं लगेगा कि वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से. उनकी फैसिलिटीज देखो बच्चों को दी जा रही है, उनके टॉयलेट्स देखो, उनका मैनेजमेंट देखो कितना. इट इज मोर देन अ first rated schools. Secondly, I made it a point to go to the government hospitals because I wanted to see, because seeing is believing. इतले बरे काम केजरीवालान केला. हांव चिंत्ता की काँग्रेस सरकार आमची इतली वर्सां आशिल्ली, बीजेपी इतली सेंटराक आसा आनी पोस्ट करता हांगा सिट्युएटेड, पूण हॉस्पिटल वचून पळयात केजरीवालान तो डिफरन्स केला. तो जे पेशंटाक ती फॅसिलिटी जावं ते हॉस्पिटल म्हणल्यार गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल दिसना. आमचे हांगा जीएमसी पळयात आनी थंय वचून तुमी ते गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल पळयात. आणि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इट्स नॉट अ जोक. इवन मॅन एकूच मुख्यमंत्री आसा पूण आयज उदक फ्री दिल्लें आसा, लायटीचे तुमी पळयात ते फ्री दिल्ले आसा. आय एम शुअर तुमी एक चान्स समज दिलो आपाक गोंयांत, कितें तुमी दितली म्हूण म्हाका खबर आसा. कित्याक द मेसेजीस आय गॉट, एंड लेट मी मेक इट अ पॉयंट. द डे आय लॉस्ट झेडपी, I realized how I was being used by Congress. I don't want to criticize them now because that is a history for me. I would not like to talk about them, but yes, I was played. I thought that I am fighting with my own leaders when I had refused the offer of going for ZP. They forced me to contest. They promised me to work, but none of them were seen. They had come only for formality, and it's better घरात राहून तांचे कडेन झगडलेले परस भायर राहून तांचे रॉंग डुईंग्स, तांचे जे रॉंग करतात ते हायलायट करपाचो म्हजो मुद्दो आसा. आनी लास्ट बाब गिरीश चोडणकर, ताका सांगूंक सोदता, बाबा तुवें 2 फावटी रिजायन केला, तुका हांव क्रिटिसायज करना. तूं टेम्पररी प्रेसिडेंट आसा, सारकें आसा, पूण तुवेंच 2 म्हयने फाटीं खंय तरी म्हणिल्लें की ओन्ली आप कॅन गिव अ फायट टू काँग्रेस पार्टी. सो तुकाय खंय तरी भितरल्यान खबर आसा की लोकांचे वारे कितें आसा तें. आनी तुवें सारकें म्हणिल्लें. आनी दुसरें तुवें कितें म्हणिल्लें की वी मायट हॅव अलायन्स वीथ आप, वेरीन भामरे बाब हॅड सेड इट इज नॉट क्लियर म्हणून, वी आर नॉट फॉर इट म्हणून. म्हळ्यार तूंच खंय तरी दाखोवन दिलें की आप इज केपेबल, आप इज अ फोर्स कमिंग अप इन गोवा. आनी तुका सांगूंक सोदता, फाल्यां तुजें खंय तरी जातलें रेजिग्नेशन, टेम्पररी आसा तूं फाल्यां येवपाक सोदतलो आपात, तें तुकाय मनांत खबर आसा आपाचे वारे कितें आसा तें. That is on Bab Kejriwal, whether to take you or not take you. And इतलेच सांगता की हांव I am feeling that when I make the face of AAP in Goa today, I assure the AAP leadership that I will work the same work for Goa and Goans will continue. My loyalty, even when I was in Congress, I always told कि first for me are Goa and Goans, and Goansaच्या हांव मुद्दे घेवन झगडटलें. People will see my work how it is continued, because when I joined Mahila Congress, it was a dead horse. आम्ही जसे महिला काँग्रेसी सारो घालून उबे केले आणि एक कमिटी फॉर्म केली, ताज्यान धोबरादान हांवें जावं आपाक काम करतले. आणि आम्ही आय आर शुअर 2022 जशें बाब केजरीवालान सांगला that he wants young faces, he wants dynamic faces, he doesn't want dynasty politics, he wants educated people. आणि we are sure 2022 it is gonna be up who will give all the services. The Delhi model तेणे केल्लो आसा तो आमी गोंयकारांक करतली. म्हणून तुमकां सांगता, तुमी मातशें नाका, तुमकां ऑप्शनायज इतले बरें आसा आपाचें, नाकाय ते दोनी करप पार्टीज, नाका ते फॅमिली राज. तुमी पळयला तांचे व्हडले व्हडले लिडर जावं ते रेड्डी जावं सिंधिया जावं सगळ्यांनी कशें सायडलायन केलें, तशें प्रतिमाकूय तेणी खंय तरी दुखले, ताका दिसलें तांकां सपोर्टेज केलें म्हाका. पूण it is all history now. I'm gonna focus on this party, I'm gonna work for this party, and I'm gonna be voice of the people at large.
Thank you, Pratima. I again welcome you and congratulate you for joining the Aam Aadmi Party. Before we take your questions, I would request Captain Benzi to say a few words. Benzi, as you all know, he was a campaign manager who was leading the ZP campaign at Navelim. So Benzi, please share a few words.
आज as we welcome Advocate Pratima to this team AAP for Goa, आज एक पोस्ट जी कॉमन आहा आणि जे गोंयकाराक कॉमन दिसता इज Pratima's work all this while had one thing in common, and that was her work was Goa for Goans. ताजे काम गोंयकारा पासून जाल्लें. And this is as per the ideology of the Aam Aadmi. All various issues जे तुम्ही पळयल्यात जावं तो कसलोय म्हारगायेचो इश्यू, गॅसीचो इश्यू, कसलो इश्यू इज रिलेटेड टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स. मुझे गोंयकाराचो देस्पेस म्हणून करपाचो हो इश्यू. आणि हे काळजांतसून तेणी काम केल्लें आणि हे काम दिसून आयलें. आणि हे काम दिसून आयल ते आयडियोलॉजी प्रमाणे मॅच जाला. आणि आज आमी ही आयडियोलॉजी प्रतिमाक भितर घेऊन आमी ही आयडियोलॉजी गोंयकारांक एंग मारपाची आणि गोंयकारांक आपल्यागेले रायट्स दिवपाची हे आमी मुखार काम चालूच दवरतले. पूण आज with Pratima coming in, this also gives us an opportunity to appeal to all the Goans in all the existing political parties जी कोणाक डिझायर फॉर अ चेंज हुई काय तेमी एक एफिलिएट जाल्ले पार्टीक सो ते उरले थिंगा. बट दॅट चेंज कॅनॉट हॅपन बिकॉज गोवा फॉर गोवन्स हे काळजांतल्यान गोंयकारांचे रायट्स प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आज हुंची पॉलिटिकल पार्टीच्यान जालना. आणि गोंयकारांगेलो देस्पेस उण करपाक खुंयचे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन एक विजन दाखयलो ना. सो जे जितले गोंयकार आज जितले पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन आसात, जे जितले सोशल एक्टिविजमान आसात, वी रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कम लेट्स टेक दिस मिशन, लेट्स टेक दिस विजन ऑफ प्रोटेक्टिंग द राइट्स ऑफ गोवन्स, ऑफ कीपिंग गोवा फॉर गोवन्स. मुखार व्हरया. आपाक हे बॅटल 2022 आम्ही पुढे सांगाता घेऊया. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Vanji. Would certainly like to take a question.
Yeah, as Pratima said, that Mr. Kejriwal said that you are going to be the face of the party. Does it mean you will be the chief minister candidate in the coming elections?
Let me tell you, face in the sense, it is a compliment for me, but I take it as to build up the organization. We will see, the AAP team will see. कित्याक भितरल्यान करंट कितें आसा तुमी पळयलां. बेनावली असल्या व्हडल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत जो आपूण मास लिडर म्हणटालो तेका समज आपाचे एक सादो सिंपल भुरग्यान हाडलेला जाल्यार तुमकां कळपाक जाय की कितें अंडर करंट आसा तो. आनी येस, आय फील दॅट आय वील बी देर खांद्याक खांदे घालून आमी सगळे. बिकॉज आय सीन वन थिंग अबाउट देर इज नो बिकरिंग, देर इज नो लेग पुलिंग, दे आर ऑल यंग friendly people as a team who want to do something and fight for something. So I will, wherever the party needs me, requires me, I will see that to strengthen the organization, to build up. माझो सदांच तांकां साकार आसतलो.
Which seat are you looking at, Naveli or Margaon? Because I am told that your husband is also looking at Margaon seat.
See, it is, I don't want to talk about the seat right now. Whatever Kejriwal Bab has spoken to me, I have kept it in my heart. I don't want to open my cards. But yes, definitely he has told me that it's high time we want women representation. We will not do it like BJP or Congress. We want women representation. There will be women faces in the assembly. Kam por kar por tene samla that we want women representation and we will fight and we are ready to take on. However, the mighty and powerful people with muscle power and might come over. It will be the people, the common men who are going to decide. So,
Yeah, but we have always seen that any leader joining any party, there is a lot of people, meaning their supporters also join. Have any supporters or any party workers had to join
this is a
Congress?
very good question you asked me. With the day I lost ZP with a very narrow margin. See, if it was like AAP and Pratima together, we would have gone slide victory. 5,000 cross over there. तो जिकला तो default जिकला. So imagine yesterday Kejriwal Bab was talking that because 6 months prior to this only I had got offer saying that you need to come here, you are a dynamic personality, hard working, Congress has been taking you for granted, but that my loyalty, माझे पिशेपण आशिल्ले. पण आता आम्ही चिंतले की I was only used as a bonded labor by the Congress party they only used and told me. Bonded labor in the sense तांचे एजिटेशन करपाक, रस्त्यार देवपाक, केसीस सगळे घेवपाक. पण आयज हांवें चिंतलां की ही पार्टी जी आसा सेक्युलर आसा हांची आयडियोलॉजी आसा इतली बरी आसा. आय एम नॉट सिम्पली सेइंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. I am with AAP and you see the change AAP is going to make in 2022. No party should take AAP for granted. Very secular minded, very clean, very dynamic, with full power. आणि बारीक मनशाचे कॉमन मनशाचे मुद्दे आम्ही घेतिल्ले आसा. ते दिल्ली घेतिल्ले आसा, हांगा घेवपाक लागल्या आणि लोकांनी ते आमकां प्रसिद्धी आमकां लोकांनी प्रूव करून दाखयले आसा की येस वी आर देयर म्हणून. सो टुगेदर वी विल डू इट.
My last question, only one. Rahul, can you tell us any more leader in the are expected to join up?
We are getting a lot of feedback from other people also. As in time comes, we'll let you know that. This is just the beginning. Okay?
आणि एक सपोर्टर्स म्हणटा तेन्ना सांगता द डे आय लॉस्ट दॅट डे ओनली इट स्टार्टेड. म्हाका सुमार 2500 वोट मेळ्ळे. आतां स्टेट सांगपाक सोदता. जेन्ना हांव प्रचार करतालें तेन्ना म्हाका लोकांनी सांगलें की आमी ऑलरेडी सर्वे आमी तेणी काडिल्लो तो सोड पूण लोकांनी सांगलेलें म्हाका की द फायट वॉज बिटवीन द इंडिपेंडंट अँड आप म्हणून अँड काँग्रेस वॉज नोवेर इन द पिक्चर. म्हाका लोकांनी सांगलें पिक्चर चेंज ओनली वेन यू केम प्रतिमा. अदरवायज टुडे इट इज नॉट अ कॅन्डिडेट ऑफ आप बट आप पार्टी वुड हॅव स्वीप्ड ZP elections. Only when I went the picture changed and I gave a fight because people told me we are voting for you not because of Congress, we are voting for you as Pratima Coutinho, as a brand for working hard. आणि त्या दीस साकून ती डे बिफोर yesterday नायट जे 2,500 लोक आसत तितले 1,500 लोकांनी म्हाका मेसेजीस घातल्या, कॉल्स घेतल्या आणि म्हाका सांगला इट इज बेटर प्रतिमा, इट इज बेटर फॉर द फ्युचर, बेटर ऑफ गोवन्स दॅट यू जॉइन अप. सो with this support of my supporters who have told me naka the national parties, naka BJP, naka Congress, to AAP joins up, be the face of AAP, and that is how I have taken decision with my supporters and workers.
But anybody have joined you with
You will come to know in coming days. Many days you come to know and see the new faces.
We'll have a meeting in Sunset area. We'll invite you all.
You all will see.
Pratima, you have always said like when you were in Congress that AAP was the B team of BJP. So do you still believe it's the B team of BJP?
I think if you go and introspect, if you go to see,
Now, BOU should introspect.
if you go to see, introspect, it was Girish Chodankar who had made that statement.
You never said
Today, I feel after studying and seeing, it is not the B team. If it was with the B team, today in Jilla in Naveli, तांकां 900 वोट पडपाचे न्ही. हे सगळे जे वोट आसा थंय ट्रान्सफर जावपाचे. If they are third on the row in ZP and बारीक मार्जिननी 2,400 म्हज्यान फक्त 100 वोट तेणी लेस घेतिल्ली आसा. म्हळ्यार तुमी चिंतात की लोकांक न्ही खबर आसा दिस इज अ इट्स अ फेक थिंग. ते तसले कांयच ना की म्हाकाय आतां खात्री जाल्ली आसा दे आर फॉर अ सिरियस बिझनस हियर.
But within a day, तुका सगळी खात्री पाहिजे होता मॅडम.
It is not between a day.
इतने बड़े सदान बोबो मारीता because we are clean. आता तो बोबो
I
असेल.
have realized that no, AAP is for a serious business here. It is nothing like that. They are seriously on the ground. They are doing and they will do it. And I am there with them fully.
So it is not a B team of
And
BJP.
for me, Congress party is a history now.
No, I would like to remind you also, while Girish said it was AAP is the B team, it was Girish only who said AAP is the only party which can take on the BJP. It was Girish was the only person who said was willing to come into alliance with Aam Aadmi Party, which we politely refused. And Pratima during that time, she was in Congress as a party worker, she has to abide what the president says.
So
So if she had to say it was B team, it was dictated by president.
So every party dictates then. They are
It is the party structure how
There is
it
a
is.
difference
Yeah.
in AAP. AAP doesn't dominate and AAP does not. That
She
is
has
not
clearly
the
stated
case.
on that.
Pratima, just tell me one thing. Before the ZP polls, you had said that whatever my party said, that's why I contested the ZP polls.
Exactly.
Don't you feel that if you had given a chance, then AAP candidate would have got elected?
But see, when I was a very strong.
No, just now you said no because
I
AAP
had
had.
refused to contest ZP because I was not a ZP material. That you also know and each and every goan know. And that's why I politely declined that offer. I openly now it had come on the papers also. But it was this Congress local leaders and the central leaders who told me that in the interest of the party do this sacrifice. I had done the sacrifice. I wouldn't mind losing. I wouldn't have mind losing. But what hurt me is that these people, not the outsiders, amche Congress leaders only backstabbed me.
What was the reason for you not to inform those supporters who were there with you. Like there were a few supporters who even fought at the polling booths, like the Lala Gona, the Sabir. Why they were not informed or taken into consideration when you were joining up? Because they could have easily come with you.
For me, well wishes are different and supporters and workers are different. I have taken the verdict of my voters and supporters. जावं ते सारजोरा, जावं ते ब्रह्मपूर, जावं ते वेळी, जावं ते नावेली, जे कोर टीम आशिल्ले, तूं जे उलयता पळय तो लोक भायलो. हांव उलयता की म्हणजे सपोर्टर आनी वेल विशरांक घेवन हांवें हो डिसिजन घेतिल्लो आसा एंड आय अबायड बाय दिस डिसिजन. UAP is the only hope and we are now concentrating to get UAP elected here. And UAP is gonna win with thumping majority. Only people and the time will show you.
Which is the seat you are looking at?
I have not. Kejriwal Baba has told me, you keep working. They will be giving me more responsibilities. And since I am the face, I think today when AAP has projected me the face of their party, I believe that I have to work and definitely you all will see me in the assembly.
You will still like to move with that cylinders and that Kandya agitation and all. Like
No,
they have
have
that Geez Andolan.
ते हांवें करून सगळे दाखयले. हांवें सगळे दाखयले लोकांचे.
No, why I'm saying AAP has been fighting with certain issues like the electricity issues and all. Like that I'm saying.
We did take up, Patricia, we did take up the onion issues.
I'm asking her.
So
It has to be
along
followed.
with Patricia and along with the AAP army, I will always be the first one to raise the wrongdoings of the BJP as well as the Congress now. I've got a platform where I'll not be dominated or I'll not have to bend down to their dictates. Here there is a freedom, there is space. We will work, we will fight tooth and nail for bones. Thank you.
राहुल मला एक विचारायचं वाटते की प्रतिमा जी आहे तिची इमेज अँग्री यंग लेडी म्हणून आहे, आक्रमक आहे ती. पण आपचं असं कुठेही काम दिसत नाही की ज्याच्यामध्ये आक्रमकता आहे. तुम्ही हे केले, एज्युकेशन केले आहेत, आंदोलनं केली आहेत, पण तुम्ही फक्त तुमच्या मर्यादेत राहून म्हणजे रस्त्यावरती उतरून वगैरे असं जास्त दिसून येत नाही. पण तुम्ही जर बघितलं प्रतिमा डायरेक्ट कोणच्या ऑफिसमध्ये घुसायची, काही म्हणजे तिचं जे एकंदरीत नेचर होतं अँग्री यंग वुमनचं, तर तुम्हाला हे परवडणार आहे का?
म्हाका दिसता आमी जे हांगा सगळे मांचेर बसल्या आमी तिजे इतलेच आक्रमक आशिल्ले. आमी सगळे हांगा बसले ते सीएम हावजार सुद्दां गेले, जेन्ना पोल एज्युकेशन आमी केल्ले ते सीएमच्या घरा समोर केल्ले, थंय आमकां एरेस्ट सुद्दां केल्ले. तशेंच अनियन प्रायस म्हणटा की आतां हातूंत उल्लेख जालो सिलिंडर, पेट्रिशा आसा आनी बाकी वुमन्स विंग आशिल्लो आमचो, तितलेच आक्रमक आमी सिव्हिल सप्लायज डिपार्टमेंटान गेल्ले. सो हे जे आमी आक्रमक आसा ते सदांच येल्ले आसा लोकांचे मुद्दे घेवन, तशेंच आमी तितल्याच वेगान फुडें वतले.
आणि एक सांगू सोदता, I must have missed informing few volunteers of AAP or my supporters, but surely हांव तांचे कडेन माफी मागपाक सोदतां आनी सांगू सोदतां that surely they will be with me because time was very short for me. I had to take a decision and I took that swift decision, bold decision because I know म्हाका हांगा खंय तरी आडोवपाचे प्रयत्न जातले म्हणून. At the minute I landed up Delhi airport, I have seen how the big powerful leaders were calling me not only from Goa and from different parties, but even the leadership at Delhi. So हांव मागतां थोडे समज कितें तरी सपोर्टर्सांक और वर्कर्सांक सांगपाक हांव विसरलां वर खंय तरी म्हाका मेळपाक इंटरेक्शन करपाक चान्स मेळूना जाल्यार माफी मागतां. पूण हेच्या मुखार आमी हांद्याक हांद्या लावून आमी गोंयकारां लागून काम करतले म्हणून म्हाका हांव तुमकां एक आश्वासन दितां. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you.
Thank you.